Hello and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
So my tip number 9 is to set aside some time. I want you to set aside maybe just 15 or 30 minutes a week to work on your accounting. Your business might require more time or it might require less time. But if you're starting from zero and you're not currently spending any time at all working on your accounting, if I were to suggest that you spend an entire day once a week working on your accounting, you would suggest that I just shush. So instead, I just keep it simple. And I'm like, what if it's just like 15 minutes? You know, maybe sometimes you have to spend a little longer, but you just commit to 15 minutes. Kind of in the very way that people like me who don't like to exercise will commit to 15 minutes. Like, I can do 15 minutes of yoga or I can do 15 minutes of walking. I'm not going to like it, but it's only 15 minutes. I can do this. Same thing with your accounting. I'm asking you to set 15 minutes aside, maybe 30 minutes aside, just to chip away at your stuff. So if you're not sure when to do this, I make a joke and I say Sunday fun day, maybe Sunday not as fun as it was fun day. The logic is just to keep track of your accounting, right? The best day to do it is yesterday. The second best day to do it is today.